Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do fourth project of my 100 Python project challenge, and today I'm gonna do a letter counter. I'm gonna use a function for this. First I should declare my function, and my function should take a sentences to count letter. Now if my sentence shouldn't be nothing, so I should add a if condition for this. And if my sentences is nothing, then I should print an error. Else, if I have normal sentences, then I should count for letters in this sentence. Letters or words. Words eşittir equal sentences. Now I can print length of these sentences, but I should call function. For example, I can enter hello world. Now the problem is it's counting the space character too. I should add special condition for this. Actually, I can just space count equal words dot count. Yep, I can do this way. Then I should subtract this space count from length of words. Yep. And now it should give me correct result. As you can see, first I got 13 because it counts this space character. Then I add a variable to calculate space count, and for this I used count method of normal lists words dot count space character, and this returned me. I can show it space count in this sentences. As you can see, it returned 1. Then I subscribe. Then I subtracted it from length of words because I shouldn't count space character. And our function has finished. I can count. As you can see, it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 characters, words. So that's it for my fourth project. See you again in next video.